So, a friend of mine called Indiana told me that I should go and check out this area. There's a vehicle that will drive around. We might be able to find Lee's in there. So, Indiana.
This side.
Yeah, right, Indiana Jones. That's right, him. We're gonna go and see if Lee's is over there. So let's go check that out. All right, we have entered the tombs. Ooh. Scary stuff. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do not enter.
That's so weird. My fingers show up.
That's some language. Ooh, more into that language. More. Language all over the place. Strong bamboo. The bamboo is strong with this one.
One time.
Emergency exit open. Please. Please, are you up there? Please. Where are you?
Is that true?
Oh, more of that strange language. Oh, even more. Can't see it, it's too dark. Oh, I think we took a wrong turn. We're gonna do not disturb bats. Hey, bats! I'm not supposed to disturb you. That one. Watch your head. Sharp spikes. Owie. You guys see? Those guys didn't watch their heads, so. Ooh. That was an adventure. They told me not to step on these. Not to step on them. We're not supposed to step on these. That's what's happening. It did say not to step on this. We found ourselves into a very strange room. Ancient artifacts. But I would never. Hey, don't do it! Don't do it!
I know I did something.
Oh no! Sorry! Have you seen my wife? All right. Well, I think I hurt somebody. Oh well. Hopefully it wasn't Lee's. It did sound like Lee's, so that's okay. Special room coming up.
Now, my friend, one final word of advice. Once you've entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the island. That could be dangerous. Very dangerous. Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders that feature in the eyes of God.
Alright, don't look into the eyes. I wonder what that says.
Hello, oh, my friend. The brakes may be needing a little. Easy on the curve.
Hey, which one are we going to see?
The future. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your end.
Don't look into the eyes! Don't look in the eyes! I look into the eyes! I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
We've got a problem here. Up to the left. And what? They're saying, yeah.
Snakes. You guys are on your own.
On the dark. Hey! Get in!
Get me out of here.
Don't tell me that wasn't big fun.
That was big fun. I don't think we found leaves, Mom. No, we didn't find leaves. We saw a lot of things, but not leaves. Well, we got lots more around Disney. So keep watching. That was crazy.